Okay, we're turning that on. It is February 1, 2026. Hopefully you can see the time on there, date, all that is dark out. Alright, so going live on this thing. Okay, it's Sunday, February 1, 2026. We're live. I finished this Sanyo M-X520 and I'm going to try and zoom into the thing here. Okay, well, that didn't work right. Well, okay. Let me tilt this up. There, that's about as good as we're going to get. Alright, so here we go. Alright. Alright, did I start that? I did, it's red. Okay. So bear with me, I have a... Alright, so how's this work? Okay, so this is the first bunch of pictures here. Okay, so I'm going to go full screen. There we go. And then I'm going to use the keyboard to advance my pictures. This is the front of the Sanyo M-X520. There it is right there, M-X520. See that? Okay. And great, so then, okay, so now that's the first picture. This is the, it takes DC 12 volts, okay. This is just a top view, just because I wanted to have a top view showing the antenna. And pretty much that was it. This is, okay, what happened here? Okay, this is the full back. This is a fuzzy picture. This is a clearer picture of what it is. It takes 8D batteries. Does not have world voltage, so it only works on 120 volts. Okay. And we tried to get a picture of the, got your left and right mics, line in, line out. External speakers and your beat cancel. Okay. And there's your battery compartment. Trying to get a flash picture to show everything there, right? Okay, so wait. This is you crack open the back of it after you take the screws out the back, and when I disconnect the wire, I think it takes a picture. So that's where the antenna wire goes. The other one is a ground of some sort. I don't know, there wasn't any wire there. This is the input power lead right here. That's it right there. Okay, so that's the power lead. This is what you look like on the inside when you get to it. So there's the cassette deck. Here's the upper part, the tuner, and the amplifier up in the corner here. So, and then this is the power supply. Has two fuses. They're both 2 amps each. Wait, what? You've got a picture of the fuses. There's one. Here's the other underneath. And here's the, I didn't quite get a picture of that, but anyway. And then this is, okay. The sticker came off, but that's the motor it takes. In case you don't know, you can pause the video and write that down and search for that, but that's the motor it takes. I have more of these, but anyway, so that's just a picture this way, because I could, in case I needed it for I don't know what reason. I took a picture of this side, okay, and I took a picture of this side. And okay. Then I took a picture of whatever this is, again the motor and deck and all the wires and where they go and all that. Then I took a picture of the, this is the connection between the recording bar switch, which is up here. There's the recording bar switch and the mechanism to make the recording thing work. Right? And then this is just a picture of the top The Dolby circuits right here, these are both your Dolby, and you can adjust them and all that. Okay. And then here is, okay, these are the wires that, this main wire right here is, you can unplug that, and you can unplug this one here, but you leave that one plugged in. Okay. You don't need to remove that. Then, I have to zoom out. And then what? What's that? That's not supposed to be here. I don't know what that is. There's no sound, but that's something else I worked on. Still working on it. Okay. Well, it's just a, this is just, okay. Well, there it is. I didn't know it would play in this, but I thought it was just showing pictures, but anyway, so here's this. That's my next little project to work on. I actually have it apart, but sorry there's no sound for that, but I didn't expect to be showing the video. Okay, so anyway, so moving along, I can't go, can I go backwards? It's here. Okay, so that's it. So now I want to, now because the camera changed folders, I have to change folder, anyway, applications as well. So here's another picture of the cassette deck, back, motor, whatever. Okay, and then here is the deck out of, well, here's the deck that's out of the it's out of the unit because I removed it. Okay, here is the flat belt that I took out. It's old. It's about that size. Okay, get out your own metric ruler and figure out the size. That's the old one. I put in one that was about 105 millimeters. I put in a belt approximately 105 millimeters. Okay, let's get that square. I put the one about that long. Now, let me get out of here. No, I don't want to do that. And then, well, and this is the secondary belt. It's about 91 millimeters, so I put in an 85 millimeter belt. Okay, this is secondary, so I put in an 85 millimeter belt in here. All right, so then I cleaned the speakers. They're pretty clean anyway already. And this is a, well, it got rotated, but that's what the speaker is. It's 8 watts. Okay. And this is just a picture of the cassette deck area. It's still, this foam is still good, believe it or not. Okay. And then I made another video about how the cassette deck door opens, so it has a little tab that gets pushed there, and this center thing is actually what holds the door open and closed. Right, so, and then this is what, why did I take a picture of this? I was trying to get a picture of the amplifier. You can't, you'd have to take the heatsink off to know what it is, so I didn't bother with that. Alright, and wait. And then this is just a picture of the overview of the inside without the cassette deck in there. Just, that's what it looks like. Here's a front view of the cassette deck that you don't normally see, but there it is. So your tape counters on the front, and I don't know what you can see there, but this is a very clean head. Everything is very clean in this unit. Okay. Then here are the belts I put in, brand new belts, brand new belt there, flat belt, that's what it takes. Okay. Just wanted to show you that for what it's worth. Okay. See, there's a date, 1/2/26. Anyway, so this is all today. Then here I used a wound flutter meter and a 3000 kilohertz test tape that I got from Fixture Audio. Alright, so there it is. 3000 recorded on a Sony. And then I used Stereo to Go wow includometer, installed that on my phone, and I got the speed dot on by adjusting it in the back on the back of the motor. There's a tape in there playing. Of course, you can't see it in motion, but it was played. Alright, and then just an open view before I remembered I got to put the handle back on. So I put the handle back on, and that's it, I'm done. So now I can wide this thing out. Let's see here. Let me wide this camera out. Just stand in front of it, and here, I don't have the hand. Oops, wrong way. There we go. So now, move that down. Let's see. Let me wide this camera out if anyone's watching. Anyone watching? So, there we go. Whoa, that went really far. Wait. I don't want to go that far. Okay, well, that's about as close as I can get. Oh, here, I can move this down some. There we go. Nope. Make this wide again. I'm doing my fingers on the screen, so in case you're wondering what I'm talking to. Okay, there we go. Fingers on the screen. Great, so there's that. Alright, so now, as you know, you can only play up to 5 seconds of sound on. So here's the tape. I got snap, rhythm is a dancer. Okay. So put this in. It's got a long lead in. And this sound level meter only comes up when it's loud. When it's down low, it doesn't show anything. See, we got radio, right?
Come here, baby. Please clean up our street every day on Air 1. Worship now. We'll send an alert if her balance drops below her set.
So here's the tape. Okay, so can't play that very long. And here's some odd tape I got that's got something on here that I can play. Okay, don't want to sell that music. Now I've got some Fleetwood Mac here, right? There's a Fleetwood Mac tape on a NAR tape, right? Don't want to sell that music either. And now I kind of ran out of tapes that I've had here. Let's see here. Here's a, I don't know what's on here. It's a 120-minute tape. Wow. Drop that in and see what's on that. Okay, I don't know what that was either, but it's on a 120-minute tape, so there's that. Let's see here. Well, what else we got here? Here's a Genesis tape. Is this tape any good? No, there's no tape. Oh well, can't play that. Okay, well, what's this? It's probably me talking. That's just some test tape, but anyway, it works. It's for sale. It has line in. Let's see, you got your bass, treble, balance, volume, your normal chrome and metal tape selector, tape, radio, and line in, AM, FM, and FM mono. Got your Dolby NR. It's got an automatic music select system. It's a one-time only feature, although I haven't been able to use it to work because all of my music is, well, That's the only thing I don't believe that works, but it all works like this. It's in good condition. It's got the handle, got the antenna, it's complete like that. It goes out, it goes in, right? It snicks into place, and that's all I know. It's for sale. Inquire. I already have somebody asking about it. I told him a price. I don't even know where he lives, but that's it. So there it is. That's it. I hope you enjoyed. Just gotta go, have dinner, and work on something else. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna, let's see here. Whoops, I just kicked that. Can we give me the cell phone? Wait, give me this camera. Alright. Okay, so I have a backup. There's the backup. Alright. And yeah, I've got all this stuff here to work on. That's in progress. That's in progress. That's in progress. That's a laptop. That's this thing here. This is, you know, it's complete. It's got the battery, you know, thing. I just don't have enough room in here for everything. So many more projects. So, yeah. Anyway, gotta go. Okay, so thanks for watching. Good day, good night, goodbye. So now, yep. Okay, so now let's set this down, put this here. Alright, and grab the camera. I just waved it all around. Alright, so once again, so there's that, there's that, there's this, all the pictures. I don't know what, oh yeah, show you the back of it, right? So there's the back of it. And 17 minutes, okay, so, and I've got so many other projects here that I'm working on. That, those over there, that there, this here, that one there, these here, those, like I just did with the Facebook cell phone things. Alright, so hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Good day, bye-bye. Gotta go.